about mitochondria. Mitochondria. The word mitochondria comes from the Greek, whereas the mito means the threads and chondria means the granules. It is the it is also known as the second largest cell organelles, which is present in cytoplasm but not the nucleus. It is also known as double membrane cell organelles. It is present in eukaryotic cell. Now, it is also known as the powerhouse of cell or storage batteries of cells or ATP mills. First of all, it was discovered by the Kolliker in 1880 AD, but the terms coin, terms was coined by the Carl Benda in 1889 AD. It consists of two membranes. They are outer membrane and inner membrane. Whereas the outer membrane consists of less proteins and it is smooth in structures. But the inner membrane is rough in structures and it consists of more amount of proteins. Whereas the inner membrane consists of 80% proteins inside it, but the outer membrane consists only 50% of proteins. The inner membrane inward folded to fingers like or plate-like projections, which is known as cristae. Look at here, it is cristae. Then it is cristae is for the increasement of the respiratory surface area. It depends upon the mitochondrial size and depends upon the metabolic state of the cell. The cristae inside the inner membrane, the cristae contains the several oxygens. Then oxygens means a tennis rocket-like structure which is attached at the surface of cristae. Look at here, it is oxygens. Mitochondria consist of its own DNA. So it produces many proteins, but it takes from the it depends upon the nuclear DNA and cytoplasmic ribosomes also for the productions of more amount of protein which is necessary for the formation of ATP. Then it consists of matrix also inside the inner membrane. Matrix is the fluid which is present in inner membrane. It plays an important role for the productions of ATP. Then it ribosomes. Ribosomes in mitochondria, ribosomes consist of only 70 as ribosomes. Okay, now let's talk about oxygens. Oxygens is divided into three parts. They are head part, stall, and base. Middle part is known as stall, uppermost part is known as head, and lowermost part is known as base. Head portions. Head portions consist of some amount of proteins which helps in the formation of ATP, which is necessary for the formation of ATP molecules in the aerobic respirations. Then it is also known as the F1 particles or experimental particles also. Look at here, this is oxygens. The lower part of the oxygens is known as F0 particles, whereas the uppermost part of the oxygens is known as F1 particles. Mitochondria is also known as the semi-autonomous cell organelles because the mitochondrial DNA can form some of the required proteins, but for some of the other proteins, it depends upon the cytoplasmic nuclear ribosomes and nuclear DNA. So it is also known as the semi-autonomous cell organelles. Now we will forward to the function of mitochondria. It is also known as the site of ATP formation. So it is known as the powerhouse of cell, storage batteries of cells or ATP mills. Now its another main function is to perform the cellular respiration. It means it takes the nutrients from the cells and break it down and it convert it into the energy. Some of the then another points of mitochondria was some of the enzymes was present in liver cells also, which helps to detoxify the ammonia, and it is to provide the structural proteins also due to the presence of RNA, DNA, which is present in the mitochondria. Then last one is it helps in the formation of mineral pieces of sperm also, which is then another point is it helps in the development of mitochondria helps in the development of yolk with in the formation of ovum also. Thank you guys. And if you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe, like and share it so that you will be touched with upcoming videos.